Everyone, welcome. How to make money as a beginner is what I'm sharing with you in this video today. If you are just starting out, the fastest ways to make money are usually selling a skill you already have, doing simple online tasks, or turning something you own or can create into income. Below are practical beginner-friendly options plus how to get started safely. Quick ways to start earning money with low barrier. This need little or no experience and can bring in cash relatively fast to you. Number one is freelance microservices. Offer simple gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, writing short articles, product descriptions, or social media captions, basic graphic design, logos, flyers, using Canva, data entry, transcription, or virtual assistant tasks. Online surveys. Online surveys don't work in Nigeria or around Africa where we don't have much money. It works in advanced country. Even in advanced country, they struggle with it in online survey. Now, another one you can go into that can fetch you money is selling things you own. Use Facebook, Marketplace, Gigi, or local groups to sell old phones, clothes, books, or electronics, or even furniture. This is often the quickest cash. Gig work offline. If available in your area, delivery food parcels, ride hailing or task apps, cleaning, mowing, you help, and then staffing. Then another way is to build a small online income stream. This take a bit more setup but can grow over time if you are serious. And one of these is freelancing with a clear skill. Pick one skill like writing, design, coding, video editing, any skill. Then create a simple portfolio. In this portfolio, even if it is two or three sample works, you put it there. Then open profiles on Fiverr or other places. Then start with lower rates. Don't charge too much. Creation. Start a niche page, channel on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or blog around something you know or enjoy doing and that you know, like football, fashion, other things. Then you can monetize it later on. Then brand deals can also come your way. Affiliate links, you can put it there, and then when people buy from your link, you get paid. Then selling your own digital products is also there, can later come in like ebooks, templates, and other things. Take for instance, if you want me to teach you anything you want me to teach you how to make money online or offline or even content creation, you can contact me and I'll help you to do that. So these are some of the ways. Then another one is selling digital products. You create once and then you sell many times, just like building once and then getting rent. So you study notes, revision, guides or template, then resume CV templates, Canva, social media templates, you create it and you sell it. Then simple ebooks on how to guide, sell via Gumroad, Seller, Paystack stores, or even on WhatsApp, and then you get your bank transfer. If you are in Nigeria, maybe you're in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Ilorin, Ibadan, anywhere you are in Nigeria, Abuja, to make this realistic for your location, use local platforms like Gigi, Facebook, Marketplace, WhatsApp groups, and campus community groups or even Facebook groups for selling items or services. Then leverage mobile money and transfers. Accept payments via bank transfer, OPay, PalmPay, or Paystack or other kind of payment that people may want to do. Then focus on skills with local demand like typing, printing services, CV writing, school project formatting. You can do all these kind of things. Then social media management is also there for small shops, post creation, replies, etc. Then tutoring, WAEC, JAMB, university courses online or nearby. Then you can start small and local. You don't need a fancy website, a clear WhatsApp business profile, a simple price list, and good word of mouth can be enough. Now, how to start, even if you want to start this week, these are simple plan. Number one, pick one or two methods from above that match your skills and time. Then spend 1 to 2 hours setting up. Then create accounts. Write a simple bio. Prepare 2 to 3 samples to offer. Then apply. Send 5 to 10 proposals or offers daily for a week, gigs, clients, or listings. Then track works. Which message gets replies? Which post get interest? And from there, you double down on that. If you tell me, as you are watching now, if you tell me what you are good at, maybe writing, talking, design, or whatever, then how many hours per day you want to commit to it, whether you prefer online only or don't mind offline work, I can suggest 2 to 3 specific money making paths tailored to you and help you draft your first gig description or offer message. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.